Yes, we as Roundtable, we've found some sponsors, namely Ndongo Toyota, Safland and Future Media Group, that were willing to help us with putting together all these gifts for the children. It is a season to be giving, and we'd like to, make sure that each child has something this Christmas, so that they're not, left in the dark, etc. Especially through this tough year. It's been a very tough year where it's been difficult to find enough people to get these types of things together, and I must say the public has come together and helped us quite a lot with their generosity, getting these gifts together and so on. And we're sitting here now with 58 gifts for the children here of Bright Hill School. And we're just happy to be able to help them give back to the community.
Well, I was a bit suspicious, to be honest. I was like, is it real? I kept calling Rian just to make sure it's still gonna happen. But I mean, what an honor. It's really something that I was trusting for, that the kids will be blessed at the end of the year. And for it to happen, I'm speechless. I'm so thankful and so grateful.
The people really opened their hearts, they gave, and we were able to get gifts for every single child here, which is a great initiative, and we'd like to see this thing grow over the years. Hopefully next year we can go a bit bigger and a bit better with a longer planning period.
Yes, I'm just so grateful. Thank you to everyone who gave and made this possible for the children. May you be greatly blessed, and thank you to Roundtable for the initiative and for choosing our school.